Today we're going to microwave Pop-Tarts. It says, do not microwave in this pouch. So we're going to microwave it in the pouch. Hiding behind our nice tinfoil bunker so we don't nuke our junk. We have a lot of ventilation so we don't nuke our lungs. In goes the Pop-Tarts. Don't try this in your family's microwave. A minute, you think?
Maybe 30 seconds. You're supposed to do it for 3.
For 3 minutes?
3 seconds.
Oh, 3 seconds? In they go for 30 seconds. As always, I have a giant poking arm so I don't have to actually be near it. And I hope that's the start button. Are you ready?
We're ready.
In they go. That's
Whoa.
awesome. Keep going. Keep going.
Might be the worst of it.
Yeah.
Think our Pop-Tarts are going to explode?
No, eventually they're probably going to ooze out. Oh yeah, I smell it. We'll stop
it now.
Stop in the microwave. Oh man. It's like it's shrink wrapped. On closer inspection, the inside is sufficiently cooked. It's kind of like a baked potato you wrap in tinfoil. Plus, it was an awesome light show. I totally recommend doing this. Why? Dinner and a movie.